Hey everyone, welcome to Vlog. Today I'll show you how to set up a proxy on Android for Wi-Fi or mobile data. Let's go to Google Play and download Super Proxy. Open it and add our proxy. I'll use WebShare as an example. They offer 10 free proxies. We need the proxy address, port, username and password. Okay, here we'll choose login and password for authentication and use the server. I'll pick the first one, 198.20. There. Maybe it's a different protocol. Or I might have entered it wrong. Alright, here we go. Now click save and start. Done. You should now have a working proxy. Like and subscribe to the channel. This has been Velour. See you next time.